Hey y'all, this is my buddy Dave running the weed whacker for me, and I thought I'd show you my yard. Yeah, that's Dave running the weed whacker. You can see that bare patch in the yard. That's where I had my utility trailer parked. Full of weeds. This ground is hard packed clay, rocked off to it, and all sorts of stuff. All sorts of weeds, dandelions, daisies, all sorts of stuff on out here. I'll show you some pictures of some close-ups of some of those weeds in the soil. But here's one spot. You can kind of see this. I've been driving up on this part, and you can see that that's packed. So what I'm making this video about is I'm going to be doing the Green Wizard thing onto my yard. And I'm going to take you along for the journey. This is just going to be the start of it. If you want to know about the Green Wizard, well, I'll have his book in his link to get by his book in the descriptions below. On this journey, I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm doing, but I'll let you know how reasonable and how easy it is to do this to make your yard luscious too. So folks, follow along with this journey of what happens in my yard over the next few months, maybe the next year. I don't know what it's going to be. Come along for the ride. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell if you want to follow up what happens here. So follow along on my journey to find out if Ron Nentzel, the Green Wizard, is full of shit or if he knows what he's talking about. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!